Hey guys, so I've got a quick diagnostic video on a 2016 Mercedes E350. The problem is the AC is not working. Usually the most common reason is the Freon. Already checked the Freon. The Freon is good. Recovered it, measured it, put it back in there. It was at 1.3. That's what it calls for. So once you start the AC, press auto. It should be blasting full cold air, but the temperature dropped down low. When you look at it outside, the compressor is not kicking in. The fans are working full speed. That means the computer is telling the fans to kick on because the AC is supposed to be running. The car is cold right now. Again, the first step is to check the Freon, which I already checked. The Freon is fine. So on most cars, I would just hook up the scanner. Of course, it takes a sweet time. But you can't blame it. There are too many modules in this car. Alright, so these are all the modules. Alright, so in most cars, I would just start with checking the HVAC control module. Read fault codes, no codes present. Alright. But on this model, you can also check the SAM control module for the front. If I can find it in this is the rear. Well, they hit it pretty good. Oh, sorry. SAM for the driver, or the front. Enter. Ignition is already on. Alright. So code P064515. The output for the magnetic clutch of the air conditioner has malfunctioned. So basically the clutch needs to be replaced, which is part of the compressor. So first thing I'll do is replace the compressor. You can always double check the power coming to the compressor, but to check the power coming to the compressor, you have to have the connector disconnected, because if the connector is connected, it's not going to give you power because there's a short picked up by the computer. But 99% of the time when this code is present, everything visually looks fine, the Freon is good, and there's no other fault codes for any pressure sensors. This should be it. So just a quick video. Hopefully this helps with the diagnostics. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, and subscribe.